What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, and today we are switching it up. This time I'm taking y'all from the garden to the kitchen. Um, so in this video, what we did last year, we grew us a cayenne pepper because we decided that we wanted to go ahead and plant, make our own hot sauce. So this video, I'm showing y'all how I made this hot sauce. And mine at the end did not come out as red like it normally be because I believe I had a lot of green ones versus the red ones. But sit back, relax, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so this is what we're starting it. As you see in the video, I have taken the cayenne peppers out of the freezer where I have kept them since last year, and I'm cutting the tips off. And all we're gonna do is you're gonna put them inside of the pot. Just get everything cleaned up, cut up. When you're dealing with peppers, you want to have some type of protective wear on your hands because the stuff that's on the peppers that can make it what do I try to say, y'all? It can make it loud, and like when you get stuff like onions and stuff, it be loud like that, and it rub your eyes, and then it gets in your eyes, so you don't want that in your eyes. All right, now that we got everything cut up, now we got them in the pot right here. Now we're gonna put them on the stove and let them bring them to a boil, and then we're gonna have them simmer for 20 minutes, and then we'll let them cool for 20 minutes. Now in this portion right here in the video, you see me taking everything off of the stove, and we pouring everything into the blender. The blender I have is a Vitamix, and I use that to go ahead and mix up all of our peppers into this thing right here in the blender. So let's watch that. And what you want to do with this, you want to go ahead and blend it finely until it's all completed down, so you don't have nothing bulky in there, and then you'll be good on that portion there. Okay, now this part right here is the straining process. After you done blended it up finally, you're gonna pour it into a finely strainer like this, and you're gonna do back and forth motions until you get everything strained out. Now, some people say you can keep the excess stuff out of it, and you can make something else with it. But I'm not doing all that, so I just made it and just throw it away. So now you just see me going back and forth with the spatula, and it's draining, and then to the pitcher, and then we're almost done right here, y'all. All right, now this next part right here is the final part. Get you some mason jars, and we're gonna clean these up real good. I already done cleaned and washed and sanitized. Now you want to make sure everything is sealed tightly on, like dry around the rim of it before you get ready to seal it. All right, now this little device right here is a mason jar sealer. So you can just bottle your lids and put it onto the top of your mason jar, and it sucks out all the air on the inside, keeping it preserved. This was found on Amazon. If y'all want to take a look at it. All right, y'all. This is the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching, tuning in with me as I make hot sauce for the first time. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. See you later.